So it's going to be another hot and dry day ahead on this Wednesday, August the 6th. Those temperatures right near 100 degrees. So stop me if you've heard that before. There are a couple of minor changes to the forecast. Number one, for this Wednesday, south of Denver in particular and in the mountains, we'll be talking about some dry thunderstorms. This is not good news here, folks. That means we get gusty winds, we get lightning, but we don't get much rain. And if you know, a couple weeks ago, we had the rim fire right near the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. That fire was started by lightning. We're going to be looking at, unfortunately, that potential for some fire starts because of dry lightning and gusty winds. So south of Denver today, especially Douglas County and get south and west into the mountains, we're going to have a chance for one or two of these brief gusty storms today. Main concern will be gusty winds up to 40, maybe even 50 miles an hour with some of those storms and some brief lightning as well. Otherwise, it's just really hot, high of 98 for us on this Wednesday. Tomorrow, 99. Heat advisory for tomorrow. That has as much to do with low temperatures as it does with high temperatures. Our lows are going to be struggling to get down to about 70 degrees for us. So those overnight lows, just as much of a factor in these heat advisories and these heat issues. Of course, we're only dropping down to mid to upper 60s for us, right? Here's the key. Room temperature, right? 70, 72 degrees. If you're dropping only into the upper 60s, that means most of the night you're at or above 75 degrees. Point being, if you don't have air conditioning, it is really uncomfortable for you when you only drop down to the upper 60s. Here in Denver, we're blessed to live in a place where even in the middle of the summer, most of our temperatures drop down about the upper 50s to about 60 degrees. Unfortunately, that will not be the case for tonight and for tomorrow night. By Friday, especially Friday night, we start to get some relief in the picture. And by Saturday, those temperatures finally, mercifully drop back into the 80s for us with a few storms around both Saturday and Sunday. Final thing I'll leave you with is there is a lot of wildfire smoke. I know a lot of you are noticing that, especially in northern Colorado. This is coming from the elk and the Lee fires that have combined burned more than 20,000 acres with no containment, and the smoke from that is going to be reaching northern Colorado. Some indications in Denver, we may see a bit thicker smoke, especially later on this Wednesday.